Guys, those who are learning speak English, today I want to provide you one secret thing, and that is I have been doing for 9 months. So that's why I thought I should say in front of my audience, those who love me a lot. Do you explain all the thing in front of you while walking, while traveling, while thinking? Do you explain all the thing in English? From today, you have to stop your Bangla thinking. You have to stop your Bangla thinking. You have to start your English thinking. Whatever you will see, you have to describe in English. You have to think in English, and through this kind of thinking, you will be able to perfect speaker in English. It's totally correct secret matter, and that I have been doing for 9 months, and Alhamdulillah I am improving. Alhamdulillah, and Allah has given me this opportunity. Just I am utilizing my work. That's it. Okay, so you can do it, guys. Assalamu alaikum.